Hey guys, you know what? It's time for paint. I'm gonna fill a whole bunch of holes and then I'm gonna start painting. Let's do this thing! It's Clarence Cadiddlehopper and you're watching my YouTube channel. Woo, doggy, let's go build, break, or blow something up. Alright guys, so I'm not even gonna turn on a light in here today because it is stinking hot. It's fixing to get cold though, but what I'm fixing to do is I'm fixing to start painting. And but first, I got to fill every single one of those staple holes. Remember those? Yeah, there's a bunch of them, and they're everywhere. So there we go. I'm gonna get busy, and then I'll show you. Whenever I get done spackling, maybe I'll show you, and then we'll skip on over to some paint. All right, be back in a minute. Woo, doggies! I'll tell you what, guys. It's been quite a while. Like I don't know, 4 hours. And I have just now gotten all my cabinets. Of course, you can't see it on the white walls, but got all my nail holes and staple holes and everything else filled, and then sanded. And I think I am ready for paint. And when I say paint, I mean paint without primer where I already primered, and then paint with primer where I did primer, or I have not primered. So I will get back with you, and it won't be very long. Well, for me it'll be probably 24 hours. For you, about 10 seconds. You guys have a good one. I'll be right back. Yeah, let's get this thing done. All right, guys, time for a reveal. I got my first coat of paint on the walls. Just one coat, but here you go. I wanted you to kind of see. It's kind of a tan and gray. Well, a gray tan. I don't know what color to call it. So, how do I know why it's not focusing on anything? Who knows? Autofocus. So, anyways, got all my walls painted, and I'll come back and I'll put on 2 more coats. But I wanted to paint my cabinets first, so we're going to do that right quick, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Alright guys, so that's the first coat of the wall color, but I wanted to show you. And that is the color of the cabinets. Can you tell where I matched it to? Yeah, that's exactly right. I took the lightest color that I could find on the floor and the darkest color I could find on the floor, and I went with those 2 colors. And then I eyeballed them at the hardware store, and I had them mix the paint up for me. Now, let's see. Because I have no windows whatsoever in this camper, I have to kind of carry a light around. But I think it's going to look really, really sharp. Once I get the other 2 coats on, get everything cut in, and get my trim on. I think it's going to be nice. Now, there's one thing I wanted to address. I want you to know, I am not trying to be perfect. I'm not trying to cut in with absolute perfection. First off, this is a first coat. Oh my goodness. Secondly, I've got a whole bunch of trim that's going on. So people, tell you what, don't worry about this. Okay? Stick with me till the end and I'll show you how to cover up a whole bunch of crap. Now, next time I come back, which is going to be about half a second for you, I'm going to paint this sucker. I'm going to get everything else done. And hopefully, it'll be nice. Nah, there ain't no nice to it. This ain't gonna be brilliant. It's gonna be perfect. I'll catch you in a few seconds. All right, guys. I've got this thing almost wrapped up. Got the walls painted. Got the insides of the cabinets painted. I got the outsides of the cabinets painted. Got the ceiling painted. Don't have my air conditioner in yet. Got all of that painted, much darker. And come around to the other side. Well, you know what? It's all painted too. And you know what, guys? It looks good. It really does. It looks really nice. It looks nice even without putting all the trim on. But on everything like this right here, I'm gonna have trim. This spot right here, I'm gonna have trim. You know what else? This spot right here, I'm gonna have trim. And this spot, all around the ceiling, I'm gonna have trim. And it's all gonna be painted solid black. And that is actually going to kind of bring out all the rest of the colors. But I did want to give you one last thing. I've been talking about it. I'm gonna kick that fan out of the way. But, you know, here we go. I've been talking about this for a while, that things are gonna be changing. Well, they are. I told you last episode, well, maybe 2 episodes back, I don't know, maybe it was last episode, that the change was gonna be a change of view outside. You wouldn't be seeing that anymore. But you know what? I'm moving. That's why. We're going to be moving down south several hours from here. It's about a 4-hour drive from here. We're going to be moving to Texas. Back to where we came from. So, you keep on watching, and pretty soon you'll see a new spot, and you'll see what we're talking about. Because my next project, I hope, is going to be the house we buy and the complete and total remodel of it. Y'all stick around. Let's get this camper finished, go fishing, and then get moved. I'll talk to you next time. And until then, if you like this, look around. There's going to be something for you to subscribe to. Push that button, like, all that good jazz. You know what? Go tell your friends, go tell your family, go tell a zombie if you see one. I'll catch you next time. If you want to see some more of these, just look around. There'll be another button. I'll catch you later. Bye.